Hello everyone, I am Dr. Nikhil Agarwal from Gurgaon in India. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'll be talking about my journey with cancer. Cancer is becoming very common. It is definitely the most terrifying disease one can imagine. But with early detection, modern therapies, and a strong positive mindset, cancer is treatable. I was diagnosed with blood cancer in the year 2012 at the age of 26 years. It was really a big shock for my entire family. In general, I had been quite healthy and had no bad habits or addictions also. Anyways, my treatment started with several cycles of chemotherapy followed by stem cell transplant, and things were getting good. Then after about an year, I had the relapse. Again, I had even stronger chemotherapy cycles and intense treatment. It was all very traumatic, but I stayed strong and fought with the cancer and the relapse, and now it has been 8 years and I am doing quite well. Definitely, the journey with cancer has been quite difficult. I have had several related complications, mainly the GVHD of the lungs, but so far I have been able to bear them. Many times I got depressed, felt miserable, and just wanted to end it all. But somehow I gathered strength and kept fighting. Despite all the challenges, I kept doing things which I loved the most. I had severe breathing issues and necrosis of my hip joint, and I also had to undergo hip replacement surgery. But in these 8 years, I have traveled a lot, and most of them have been solo trips. Of course, I was lucky enough to be able to afford all that. Many people can't even afford their treatment. But what I'm trying to say here is cancer is not the end of life. The journey of cancer is very long, and there are a lot of tough times. But we can fight the cancer. We have to be strong and win over it. How we manage our thoughts and fears, it affects a lot in our treatment response and the outcome. Most of the people get diagnosed with cancer in late stages and the prognosis is not so good. I request everyone to have regular health checks and at least basic blood investigations so that cancer or any other disease can be diagnosed early and good treatment is possible. Another thing is, it took me a whole lot of 8 years to come out and speak about my cancer. The main reason is, as a cancer patient, what we need most is the support, but what we get mostly is sympathy. I didn't want to feel weak and vulnerable, but now I have realized cancer is like any other disease and it can happen to anyone. There is no need to hide it. I am highly grateful to all my doctors, their medical teams, and my entire family for their immense support during this difficult journey. During these 8 years, I have had all kinds of experiences. There have been several things which I feel I could have dealt better. And now I want to reach out to maximum people and help them. I will be sharing a lot of information related to cancer which will be useful to the cancer patients as well as caretakers. And it will be based on my experience as well as my medical knowledge as a doctor. I request you all to support me in this initiative. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with anyone who you know is affected by cancer. I also have a Facebook page regarding health issues and cancer. The link of that is given in the description box. If you have any questions or you want to share your experiences, please write in the comment box. Thank you all. Stay strong, stay healthy, stay happy.